Just take some fresh eggs off the shelf. I'm making omelets here by myself. Your omelets ain't got no soul. Try one of my fresh ones, it'll never go old. Well, hello and good morning to Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelette Series, episode 42. Today we're going to make another one of my Where Did This Come From omelets. I'm going to take my 2 jumbo eggs and butter and make a bacon apple goat cheese omelet. Yes, that's right. 1 Fuji Apple, a couple of slices of bacon, and some goat cheese. What I'm going to do is cook the bacon, and when it's almost done, pull it out, put sliced apple into the bacon fat, cook it till it's tender. Then I'm going to make the egg pancake, build it up, and eat a delicious breakfast. So, let's get started! Okay, so first, in a well-heated frying pan, I'm going to take a couple of lovely slices of Applegate bacon today, and put it in the frying pan. I'm using the frying pan because I want to keep using the bacon fat. That's right, keep the bacon fat in the pan to cook the apples when you're done. And then I'm gonna cover it up to retain the heat and not have the grease go everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Fuji Apple and put it in the mandolin. I want the slices nice and thin and even. So by using a mandolin, voila! Very nice, very simple, nice. So we'll slice it till we get to the core. Not there yet, almost. Good enough. We will flip it over. Probably not going to use all the apple, but since I'm doing the work, I might as well get it to where it needs to be. Okay, we don't want core. I love the smell of bacon in the morning. It smells like satisfaction. 'Cause I want to have my omelet satisfaction. My stomach needs good food, not a bad reaction. So I cook, and I cook. I cook. I'm not a crook. I eat breakfast. No lunch but dinner. And now a perfectly cut apple. And look at all these lovely wafer thin apple slices. Okay, now we'll wait for the bacon to render down so we can cook the apples. Look at how lovely the bacon is. Oh, baking it. Non-stop cooking bacon. Baking it. Bacon makes everything taste better. So we're going to give this maybe another 30 seconds. Okay, so Now I'm going to plate the bacon off to the side. Wish I had remembered to take a piece of paper towel to put them onto, but we won't worry about that. Now, I'm going to start to take the apples, cook them in the pan. Flying apples is delicious. Do it when you can. Do 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 do. Ooh, nice big apple slice. Apple slices are quite nice. You gotta separate them because they will stick together if you leave them unseparated. Da 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 da. One bad apple slice will screw up the whole omelet, girl. Oh, cooking my omelets makes me smile just a bit. One bad apple slice will screw the whole omelet, girl. Oh, my omelets are fine, 'cause I eat them all the time. So right now these apples are getting all that good bacon fat. We're under low flame, and we're just gonna let this cook down and get all this apple goodness and bacon fat to mix together to give us a lovely Sunday omelet. And for those movie buffs, the lovely, lovely, lovely comes from my cousin Vinny. When Vinny interrogates, Joe Pesci, that is, interrogates Marissa Tomei on the stand at the end of the movie that they can win the case. So, this is looking very nice. I'm going to dome it back up and leave it here for about a minute and a half. So, as you can see, the bacon came out completely perfect. Now let's check on the apples. Oh, look at them beautiful apples. They're not crispy. They are still nice and they're nice and tender now. They've got a nice golden brown color. They've absorbed all the lovely, lovely bacon fat. And I think I can plate these off to the side. Move it back. Look, Ma, no bacon fat left. Okay, now we're back to melting the butter. That's 2 tablespoons of butter. That's going to melt down to both coat the pan and be a part of the egg batter. So now what we'll do is time to... technical difficulties! Okay, what we're going to do now is crack them some eggs. All right. Crack number 1. Perfect. No whammies, no double yolks, no double yolks. And we got it, 2 single yolks today. It's an amazing feat. Yes, we are very, very satisfied with our egg cracking technology today. Now we'll wait for the butter. Okay, our butter is melted. And now we're going to enter it into the pan. Doing what we can. Beating the eggs and living in the dream. Omelet making man. Get the eggs as frothy as you can. Frothy eggs make better omelets in the dream. Those are nice and frothy with lots of butter. Let's get to the frying pan. Okay, now we've switched burners because I like cooking on this side better. We're back to our low and slow flame. And here comes the egg. Get it all out, get it into that bowl. From the bowl into the pan. Nice, nice. And today, we're gonna do it my favorite way. I'm just gonna dome it up. Okay, so while the eggs are cooking, I'm going to take our lovely, lovely apples, put them in a small mixing bowl. They're nice and tender and taste so splendiferously. I'm going to take 2 of the 4 perfectly cooked pieces of bacon and crumble them up. I want to lick my hands so badly. And then toss these 2 ingredients together to get that nice combination of bacon and fried apple. I tried a piece of the apple. The skin is actually a little crispy, which makes a nice crunch, which will add to the crunch of the bacon. Now, last thing I'll do is add some of the goat cheese. But I'm not going to stir the goat cheese in. I'm just going to make it easier for myself to put it all in the omelet. Because none of this is hot anymore. It's warm. And the goat cheese will melt a little bit, so I don't really want it to stick to the pan. Okay, let's check on the egg. Oh my God! We have omelet perfection! This should just slide nicely in the pan. We have, see, nice, nice. This is such a well-seasoned pan. So, we got the spatula going in. Nice and deep underneath. Oh, the fold. He recovers nicely. Now for the quick pour of the omelet mixture. Get that all nice into the omelet. Nice, nice. Look at that color. This will be such a visually stimulating, super delicious, tasty omelet. Need a little goat cheese on top. Gotta share the wealth. And we go for the fold. Oh, look at that fold. My God, this is definitely a part of the Omelet Pan Olympics. And we dome her back up just to let it get to its final lovely melty goodness. Okay, let's see how she looks. Oh my God. Look at this omelet perfection. Ooh la la. What a beautiful thing. So now, let's bring the camera down. Oh no! My tripod is not reacting well these days. She is very, very upset. Okay, we're gonna move that back. So now we're just gonna gently pull the omelet a little bit. We'll put some bacon here. We'll put some non-cooked apple slices in a little fan. Yeah. Now let's go for a bite. Well, here she is, our beautiful apple, bacon, goat cheese omelet. It's going to be delicious, perfect for a Sunday morning, episode 42. I'm going for a bite. I can see I have my apple, my goat cheese, and some bacon. My God, is this heaven on earth. The goat cheese is so creamy. You got the crispiness of the bacon, the tenderness of the apple, similar to texture of an apple pie with bacon. Well, I know what I'm having for breakfast. What are you gonna have? Have a nice day!